I said something stupid just to make you laugh. Like
I read it in a podcast somewhere. I could be the one to kiss your heart. I don't have to understand it. Know that this love is a work of art. Shit don't gotta be perfect. It's just gotta be ours. If you look back, baby, I won't tell you. No, we don't pretend that it's now or never. If I wait all night, I can wait forever. And then hold your head till it all gets better. If alone you say when you change your mind, I'll be here to stay, give you all the nights you need, honestly. And only your sunrise skylines creeping through the windows in your room. Tell me all the thoughts you're keeping, the eyes of the storms you've been looking through. Swear you got nothing to prove now, we're just two flowers in bloom. If you look back, baby, I won't tell you. No, we don't pretend that it's now or never. If I wait all night, I can wait forever. And then hold your head till it all gets better. If alone you say when you change your mind, I'll be here to stay, give you all the nights you need, honestly.
Got a little secret, a little recipe to get him on his knees, yeah. They don't believe it, cause with a him I got him tripping, he ain't leaving. Got a potion on my lips and I got you a couple drinks and it's gonna be a long night. Got a book of all my tricks, baby, you know it's all by design. Cause I got a lot of plans to make you my baby. If I never fall out, that could seem crazy. Put him in a trance, won't hit me with maybe, but I'm going all out, yeah, it won't faze me. Took all of my notes, yeah, all on my own. Told you I'm a woman, boy, yes, I'm grown. If I hit you with that bum, 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 will I get the job done, 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 done? Can it become supernatural? Like a sexual attraction, natural. Got a potion on my lips and I got you a couple drinks and it's gonna be a long night. Spellbound when I sing, baby, you know it's all by design. Cause I got a lot of plans to make you my baby. If I never fall out, that could seem crazy. Put him in a trance, won't hit me with maybe, but I'm going all out, yeah, it won't faze me. Took all of the notes, yeah, all on my own. Told you I'm a woman, boy, yes, I'm grown. If I hit you with that bum, 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 will I get the job done, 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 done? Bum, 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 will I get the job done, 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 done? Bum, 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 It's all I think of when I'm alone. And if I'm free, why do I feel so bound to you? Bound to you, no. If I'm broken hearted, and when you push me too far, why can't you fix me? Why can't you fix me? I thought that by now you would have said something. I kinda thought you would. All this time I stood there thinking that you would see the way I'm feeling. But now I'm lost and overthinking. It's all I ever do. Bound to you, no. Bound to you, no. Why can't you fix me? I want you so bad it hurts. And if you love me, I swear I'd be the right one. It's so complicated, I feel like I am fading away from you. And I've fallen down this hole before. I'm broken and bruised, can't fight you anymore. Why can't you fix me? Why can't you fix me? If I'm broken and when you push me too far, why can't you fix me?
There's a memory in my head, it's somewhere buried in a mess. You touched me, and how could I forget what brought me to you? There was something about the light, the way that it crashed into your eyes. My whole life started on that night, and I never knew. But every stop sign, every sunrise, every goodbye, everything that I felt with somebody else. Every long day, every heartbreak down the line, it was worth it. 'Cause everything that I do There's a voice inside my head that tells me that I'll just make a mess. But you kissed me, and how could I forget what brought